The 2019 Ford Mustang Ecoboost is powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. And today, we're taking its 310 horsepower and giving it more power and more torque with the Trinity T2 EX from Diablo Sport. The Trinity T2 comes with everything you need to install, including the USB updating cable, suction cup window mount, T2 display screen and programmer, and the OBD2 HDMI cable. Now before you do the install, you're going to want to go to diablosport.com and download the appropriate software and make sure all the updates have been installed on your new device. Since we've done that, let's go ahead and get on with the install. The first step is to locate the OBD2 port underneath the steering column and plug in the OBD2 HDMI cable. Once the cable is plugged in and ran up on top of the dash, you can go ahead and plug it into the back of the T2. Once the device is plugged in, you're going to want to put the ignition in the on position without starting the vehicle. On the home screen, you'll see options such as performance tests, settings, gauges, diagnostics, and tuning. Go ahead and select tuning. The next screen will give you options to tune the vehicle, restore, quick adjust settings, and custom tunings. Since we don't have any custom tunes on this T2, we're going to go ahead and just click Tune Vehicle. The tuning options for this Mustang include a 93 octane tune, 91 octane, 87 octane, or you can modify the stock settings. Let's go ahead and click the middle tune, 91 octane. This is going to give us an increase of 55 horsepower and 65 foot-pounds of torque to the tires. The 93 octane, that's going to go ahead and add an increase of 63 horsepower and 71 torque. The next screen you're going to see is going to give you the option to customize the tune or install it as is. Customized options go from tire and gears to fuel, spark, cam timing, but we're going to go ahead and leave this as an as-is tune. Go ahead and click Accept and Install. At this time, the T2 is going to go ahead and build and write the 91 octane tune. Once the tune is set up, you'll need to turn off the ignition and touch the screen to continue. After that, you're going to be prompted to put the car in the run position without starting and touch the screen once more to continue. And just like that, you're pretty much ready to go. The last step, it's going to go ahead and export the PCM file to the T2 and you're ready to hit the road. To find out more about the Diablo T2 and which products might be right for you, go ahead and check us out online. Go to diablosport.com.